In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more channel in Zoho Social. If you manage multiple platforms and want to plan, publish, and monitor from one place, this walkthrough will help you connect additional profiles quickly and confidently. I'll go step by step, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few tips so you don't get stuck during authorization. Start by opening your browser and heading to Zoho Social. Sign into your workspace if you aren't already. You should land on the main dashboard where you can see your brand's overview, publishing calendar, and recent activity. Before you proceed, make sure you're logged into the correct Zoho account for the brand you want to manage, and confirm you have the right permissions to add channels. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete those prompts first so the connection flow is smooth. From the dashboard, go to Settings. Look for the gear icon, typically found along the side panel or the top of the interface. Settings is where you control brand-level configuration, user roles, publishing preferences, and the profiles you connect. If your organization has multiple brands inside Zoho Social, ensure you've selected the correct brand in the header or sidebar before opening Settings, so the channel gets added to the right place. Inside Settings, choose Social Channels. This section lists everything currently connected to your brand, like Facebook pages, Instagram business profiles, LinkedIn company pages, and more. It's the central hub for adding, viewing, and managing connections, as well as seeing which profiles are active and which might need reauthorization. Now click Connect and pick the social network you want to add. A pop-up or new tab will guide you through the official authorization flow for that platform. Log into the correct account for the page or profile you're connecting, then grant Zoho Social the requested permissions. If you manage multiple pages, carefully select the specific one you intend to use. For Instagram, ensure it's a business profile properly linked to a Facebook page. If a pop-up is blocked, allow pop-ups for Zoho Social and try again. Once authorization is complete, you'll be brought back to social channels, and the new profile should appear in the list as connected and ready. That's it. You've added another channel to Zoho Social and can now plan posts, publish, and monitor engagement from one organized dashboard. If anything looks off, refresh the page, verify you chose the correct profile, and you're good to go.